So welcome friends, in this new video we are going to learn about the cytoplasm. Okay, so cytoplasm is a fluid or jelly like mass of the protoplasm. Okay, so jelly like mass of protoplasm. Okay, surrounded by the plasma membrane. Okay, remember here that the cytoplasm, it excludes nucleus. Okay, when we are talking about the cytoplasm, we are just talking about the jelly like mass of the protoplasm. Okay, so basically the cytoplasm is divided into two. The first is cytosol. Okay, and cytosol is also known as the ground substance and the cell organelles. Okay, okay, and these cell organelle, they may be membrane bound or non-membrane bound. Okay, so first of all we will discuss about the first component of the cytoplasm, that is the cytosol. Okay, so what are the characteristics of the cytosol? Cytosol is basically homogeneous. Okay, okay, it's also translucent and it's jelly like. Okay, in consistency. So I already told you that the cytosol is also known as the ground substance or the cytoplasmic matrix. So it is also known as ground substance or cytoplasmic matrix. Okay, the next is, what does it contain of? Okay, so the cytosol, it consists biomolecules. Okay, it contains the biomolecules. And what biomolecules? Such as amino acids, carbohydrates, protein, enzymes, vitamins, etc. So the protein usually occur in the form of colloidal particles. Okay, so protein occur in colloidal particles. Okay, now there is a distinctive characteristic of the streaming of the cytoplasm, that is also known as cyclosis. Okay, so if somebody asks you about what is cyclosis, so it is the streaming movement within the cell. Okay, it's a streaming movement okay, in this streaming movement, the cytoplasm, it will move from one direction around the central vacuole. Okay, or the movement, it can be in several directions also. Okay, so in the streaming movement, what will happen, the cytoplasm, it will move around vacuole. Okay, and this movement can be in one direction or it can be in several directions. Okay, I hope this cyclosis term is clear to you. It's a streaming movement of the cytoplasm, in which the cytoplasm, it will move around a vacuole. The movement can be in one direction or in the several direction. Okay, now we will talk about the factor that will affect the cyclosis or the streaming movement. So the viscosity of cytoplasm. Viscosity means how much the cytoplasm is thick. Okay, and the temperature. Okay, so these two will affect the cyclosis or the streaming movement. Okay, now why cyclosis is needed? Okay, so cyclosis is needed for the movement of organelle within the cytoplasm. Okay, so the movement of organelle, it will happens through the process of the cyclosis. Okay, another thing is that in the amoeba, okay, the pseudopodia, okay, in the amoeba the pseudopodia is formed due to the cyclosis movement. Okay, so now what are the function of the cytoplasm? It helps in intracellular distribution of metabolites. Okay, okay, the second is exchange of material between different organelles. Okay, the third function is the glycolysis take place in the cytoplasm. The fourth is it also serves as a background for the biosynthesis of nucleotide, proteins and fatty acids. So it's a ground for biosynthesis of nucleotides, proteins and fatty acids. Okay, so this is all in this video. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you for watching the video.